On to the channel. So I want to talk about the InstaDoodle review, as you can see on my screen. So this is a software which you use for white board animations. We all know that in this 2025 era, every business is using animations, especially videos, to convert, because videos do convert more than text. So InstaDoodle is one good software which I've looked at that you can use for your whiteboard animations. It gives perfect quality, as you can see on my screen. I'm going to attach a demo of using the software right after this video, so you could, click the link right in the YouTube below, in the YouTube description section, to go see how the software works and maybe get one for yourself as well. So you can see right on my screen that for $37, you're gonna be able to create unlimited videos, drag and drop editor. You have 1,000 Doodle elements. Depending on what your business is about, could be you do a restaurant business, you own a garden and cleaning business, whatever business you own. So you could just search that in the Doodle software, and then it's gonna bring out elements and characters related to your business. So you have access to the machine itself and maybe 20 done for you templates and then 20 fonts. That is for the $37 package. But I would love you upgrade to the pro upgrade, which is just $97, and stay with this package because it has more features which will help you and keep you using the software for long. All right. So I will leave a link, just like I said, below the YouTube video, so you could go check out Instant Doodle. I've had the experience of using so many other explainer videos, whiteboard explainer video softwares, and all of that. But I really like Instant Doodle because it stands out with the number of elements which they give out. Like, this is so good, and the speed which this software generates videos for you. It's so mind blowing. So I definitely recommend the software. You click the link below, go check out for yourself. If it's something you really love, it's something you love, and you've tested the trial versions and it works for you, then fine, you could go ahead and make the purchase. All right. I would really sincerely advise you go for the $97 package once again, depending on your budget though. But you could go on the $37 package just to try and see how everything plays out. So once again, I'll drop the link below, and I'm gonna attach the demo video just after this. So just watch up, see how this software works in a real time. Okay, bye for
The
now.
first thing you'll notice after you open InstaDoodle is the extensive library of done-for-you characters, props, and text. Additionally, InstaDoodle provides the flexibility to upload your customized images, fonts, voiceover, and music. You can just drag and drop any element that you want from our extensive library, scale it, rotate, and tweak it to seamlessly integrate with your project. The next step is to add some text. Select the font, center it, set the color, purple, and voila! Now, let's create a new slide. Add a character. Let's add a speech bubble too. Add the text, why whiteboard videos? And bam! Looks amazing, right? But now let me show you the real power of InstaDoodle. Let's say that you want a cow dressed up like a businessman juggling pineapples. Just type that, as crazy as it sounds, and Doodle AI will make it happen. Bam! Amazing, right? Let's try a real case scenario. A teacher writing on the whiteboard with kids around. Done! Creating whiteboard videos has never, ever been so easy. InstaDoodle is built to deliver you results faster and easier than anything else on the market. If you can click and drag your mouse, you can do a doodle video in a matter of minutes. So if you're ready to create studio-grade whiteboard animation videos for a fraction of what you pay a professional video creation agency, click the button below this video to get InstaDoodle right now.